This video is for mortgage brokers who want to build their own successful independent business and to understand this means attracting more prospects, converting more of them into clients, providing a high quality service, and keeping them as happy clients forever. If that sounds like you, I invite you to watch this quick-fire introduction of 36 of the tools we give you to do exactly that. My name is David Ham and I'm the founder of the Mortgage Australia Group, a marketing cooperative for mortgage brokers that has over 100 members. Firstly, get a free copy of my book. Over the past 18 years, I've personally generated over 22,000 home loan inquiries and built a business that has lodged more than $7.9 billion in loans with a 98% customer satisfaction rating. This 480-page book details how to build a successful broking business. You can get a full and free copy at the end of this video. Secondly, use this. I'll go into more detail on the many ways this single book, The 7 Easy Steps to Mortgage Freedom, can attract more clients, referral partners, and repeat business. We can personalize it to you, co-brand it to your referral partners, and build it as a lead generation tool for you in many different ways. You need marketing systems. More than being in the finance business or the sales business, you're in the relationship business. The basis of a relationship is trust. Your goal should be to use marketing systems that build trust with prospective clients and referral partners that in turn produce very warm leads for you. We have those systems for you. Proper marketing systems, such as those you'll see in this video, remove the need for you to do any selling because the client already trusts you before they contact you. Stop trying to find people who want a home loan right now. If you randomly speak with 100 people today, maybe 5% of them want a home loan right at this moment. Problem is they've only just met you and have other brokers or lenders they already know. This is forcing you into the role of a salesperson who has to convince them to change their plans. Wouldn't it be better to focus on the other 95% of people who will want a home loan in the future and put automatic processes in place for building a relationship with them? Then, when they want a home loan, you are the broker they trust. Just think how this changes the numbers around your business. This is the proven methodology behind the pre-built marketing funnels we provide our members. But of course, we don't want to waste an opportunity when we're in front of someone who wants a home loan right now and who's only just met us. So we need to immediately wow them and position you as different from other brokers. For that, we have our 220-page 7 Easy Steps to Mortgage Freedom book that we personalize to you. There is simply no better personal sales tool than having your own book. More on that later. Use a sales funnel. You need to take people through a process that builds your profile with them so they trust and respect your expertise. We give you an end-to-end sales funnel that starts with our free ebooks and guides and includes over 150 professionally written articles in a specific sequence. Segment your marketing. You should only send information that is directly relevant to that particular client. The more tailored, the better. So for a property investor, we don't want to be sending them information about buying their first home. They will switch off and see you as not relevant for them. The pre-built autoresponder system all our members get is segmented into different categories such as first home buyer, homeowners wanting to become mortgage free, property investors, people thinking of selling their home, and so on. Specialise your marketing. Brokers who specialise in particular loan types or client types or referrer types do better. They are able to really refine their marketing message. Everyone prefers to deal with someone who specialises in solving whatever problem they have. The statistics are clear. Most sales happen only after multiple touch points with a prospective client. However, most brokers stop after the second or third contact because they don't want to pester their client. The key is doing the follow-up in a way that is useful to them and that builds your credibility. Our ebook and follow-up system does this for you automatically in a way that is tailored to the client and builds familiarity and trust with you. It is a complete prospecting system designed to take them from "who are you" to seeing you as a trusted resource for home loans without you becoming an annoying pest. This leads to my next point. People form a first impression of you within seconds of meeting you. It is this first impression which will have a huge bearing on whether your clients will then see you as an annoying pest when you follow up or a welcome guest that they actually want to hear from. Imagine if you could start by showing them a book about home loans with your face on the cover. Don't you think they would have a positive first impression of you? A much better first impression than a broker who gives them a business card and a brochure. The book tells them you're an expert. The first crucial part of all lead generation is getting someone's attention. Without that, nothing happens. The book does that for you. Then it naturally leads to a conversation about home loans without you having to force it. Sticking with our book for a while, to write more home loans, you want to maximise the services you provide to every client. The starting point of that is to convey the long-term value you'll provide them. Starting with our 7 Easy Steps to Mortgage Freedom book does that because it shows that you aren't just there for today's home loan. Your job is to always take care of their loans in the future and help them become mortgage-free. That is what the book is telling them. From there, it becomes natural to lay out the future contact points you will have with them to review and reprice their home loan. You become their lifetime trusted home loan advisor, the sort of person they can recommend to their friends. This is a big one. If you propose a lifetime relationship to your clients, you need to deliver it. Around 2/3 of clients leave their broker because they feel neglected. A generic email newsletter and RBA updates is not enough. We have an admin team that works for our broker members. They check in with your clients from time to time to make sure their loans are going as expected and helping them out when needed. It's like a private banking experience for your clients where you get all the credit. All designed to actively reinforce your relationship with your clients, to increase referrals and repeat business, protect your trails and reduce clawbacks. If you want a business that constantly grows, you need to proactively nurture your most valuable asset, your client base. We will do that for you. This is probably the single most important factor in the longevity of your business. Whenever you offer your client a loan, they have the option of getting the same loan directly from the lender you've recommended or from another broker. We give your client a tangible reason to choose you. We call it our low rate forever service, and our admin team applies constant downward pressure on your client's interest rates on your behalf through pricing requests and reviews. We do the work, but you get all the credit and extra loans to write. The principle is that we can actively manage the loans of your clients, helping them become mortgage-free faster and ensure they have a reason to choose you now and never want to go anywhere else in the future. By the way, this is also a very useful point of difference over other brokers for creating referral relationships with accountants and financial planners. Stop advertising and start applying 3-step educational marketing. 3-step educational marketing solves the problem of trying to be in the right place at the right time and produces far higher quality leads than simple advertising. 3-step educational marketing stops you from being an interruption marketer. Instead, we create an audience that wants to hear from us, which only happens with permission-based, relevant educational marketing. We give you marketing systems and content for exactly this, tailored to you, that naturally creates the momentum that leads to easy sales. We all know we need to be on Facebook. We help you with this by regularly posting from our hundreds of educational articles that build your profile and credibility. When people check you out on Facebook, they will see you are an up-to-date and active broker. If you don't have a business page, we will make one for you. Otherwise, we can add content to your existing page. We can do the same on LinkedIn. We can also advise on paid Facebook marketing campaigns. I am not originally a finance person. I've never worked for a bank. My education is an honours degree in psychology. What does psychology have to do with mortgage broking? Everything. As I've said before, mortgage broking is not a finance business. It's about trust and relationships. We are trying to attract clients and we build these fundamental psychological principles into the marketing systems we give you. People remember people's faces. They don't remember logos. It's a lot easier to sell a loan to someone when they feel like they already know you. One of the laws of attraction is familiarity. People prefer to do business with people they are familiar with. The more people see you, the more they become familiar with you, which is a necessary first step towards trusting you. People often search for local businesses. We understand how Google local search traffic works, and we'll get you on the list of mortgage brokers in your local area. Not only that, we have ways to help you stand out from the other brokers that come up on the list. As well as on Google Maps, we consistently get our members on the first page of local broker search results. This is through a combination of the SEO work we do on our website, the structure of your individual page on our website, and our review and location system. People weigh online reviews almost as much as personal recommendations. In fact, it is the second most likely way a client will hear about you. You must take control of and build your online reputation. We collect and publish 5-star ratings for you online so that when people search for a local broker, you look like this one at the top of the list here. The fastest way to improve is with real feedback from the people using your services. We collect this from your clients on your behalf to determine ways to deliver the service they really want. This is part of the reason we have a 98% customer satisfaction rating across hundreds of reviews. Create a shock and awe package. Wow people from the outset. We can help you build an introductory sales package that overwhelms the client and makes everyone else look unprofessional. It also generates a sense of reciprocity, one of the laws of attraction. So many brokers are shopped around by their clients because they have no way of differentiating you from all the other brokers, so they treat you like a commodity. This helps reduce that happening. As well as home loans, there are simple ways to add in commercial, equipment, personal loans, car loans, insurances and more. We can help you identify these opportunities and easily add them as additional lines of business to offer, because if you aren't offering them, another broker is. We have a range of free guides and reports that you can use as a way to collect details of interested people to add to your future marketing. As I've said before, when talking about three-step educational marketing, you need to give people educational items for free, then follow up with a consistent message. We also provide you a lead capture page to collect them. Having one major source of clients is very risky. You need to expand out to have a range of methods and referral partners. Our systems help you do exactly that. We have a private Facebook group with over 100 experienced mortgage brokers in it. We help each other every day with the tricky loans and scenarios and daily broking challenges. We also have in there experts in all different types of lending who can help you out when something comes up that is outside your comfort zone. You don't need to do it all by yourself. We all know we need to be able to quickly convey the value of what we do in a way that is compelling to others. There's actually a formula for this: problem, solution, proof. It goes something like this. You know how many people, then you state the problem. Well, what I do is give your solution. For example, I recently, then you give a short case study as proof. In fact, this is the formula we use for most of our marketing messages, no matter how long or short they need to be. If I had to come up with the single best way to get referrals from clients, it would be this. Send your clients a congratulatory gift to their workplace when their loan is approved. This is much better than sending it to their home where only their family sees it. But crucially, also add in a few copies of the 7 Easy Steps to Mortgage Freedom and ask them to pass them to their workmates. You now have public social validation and have passed your marketing message on to people who are like your client, the exact people you want to reach. You can get our mortgage broking, lead generation and sales mastery training program that includes 16 hours of audio and video, workbooks, templates and more. I personally set up 7 real estate agent referrers in a single month using my co-branded 7 Easy Steps to Mortgage Freedom book, where they handed out to their buyers and sellers. They all had brokers they were already using. We make the book their sales tool that helps them get more clients. We have a similar process for accountants, financial planners, builders and bookkeepers. Every broker with us who has presented the setup we have, as a minimum, has come back saying the referrer thought it was very professional and something they'd never seen before. We've created many referral relationships using this process. We also create flyers like this one where real estate agents get a competitive advantage by using your book. Real estate agents want more listings. If you can help them with that, they have to refer clients to you. We have our own employed admin team that delivers a range of services for you. These include loan processing, corrective loan assessments, and post-sales client management. Spend less time doing paperwork and more time creating happy clients. All the things I've presented in this video are designed to simplify the complexity of broking. Mortgage broking is too complicated. It involves marketing, sales, changing lender policies, customer service, business management, loan processing, and so on. No one is good at all these things, and doing all of them turns your business into a roller coaster. When you understand the 4 components of a mortgage broking business, you can then apply our systems that assist with each of them. We have numerous brokers who have used our systems to grow from a one-man band to a team of brokers. We give you a system to attract and retain new people to your business. So many brokers try and grow and bring on a new broker, train them up, only to have them leave after a year or 2. This is because the new person has no reason to stay once they've been mentored. We very rarely have brokers leave us because we provide such comprehensive support and we integrate ourselves into their business and make ourselves invaluable to them. This is your business. Some groups limit how and where you can promote yourself. We don't. It is your business, your way, your branding, or ours if you choose, all with our support. Find an aggregator that does more than just give you software, licensing, lenders, and maybe a generic marketing toolkit. Sure, we give you all of that, but our difference is that we go much further and provide a wide range of services to attract and convert clients in the first place, and just as importantly, keep them close to you. We have plenty more strategies that we assist with as well, such as running seminars, blogging, partnership marketing, webinars, Google Ads, and more, all personalised to your unique business. All with one goal, making you the visible expert, known and respected by your market and seen as the go-to person for finance. To find out more about everything introduced in this video and to get free copies of our books, just click through.